So in this video, I will show you the new way on how to add text behind a person in CapCut. So using CapCut. After you open the CapCut, insert your video to the timeline. Now right click on the video, go to copy. So now right click on above. So now paste in the video. So now I duplicated the video. So now take the second video and make sure they are aligned in the center of the first one. So now select the first video and hide the first video. After you hide the first video, now select the second video, go to this video, remove BG, and click on this auto remove. After it finishes removing the background, so now go back and unhide the first one. After you unhide your first video like this, so now go to text. So now insert your text. After you insert your text like this, so go ahead and make sure it's in the beginning to the end of the video like this. So now go ahead now and type in what you want to type for your text. After you type in, scroll to down and customize your text. You can change the font size in this option. So here you can go ahead and change the font case. So after you finish that, now here is now my text. If I want to place this text behind this video, now take the second video that you remove background, take it above the video, above the text. So now as you can see now here is my text behind the video. So if you want to just like change the position of the text, just select the text like this, and here you can go ahead now and change the position or size of the text behind the facing. So now let's play the video and see. So all you have to do now, make sure the second video with the first video are aligned in the center. So make sure they are aligned in center. And that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.